Hello and welcome back to AI Mastery Hub. So in this video, I'm going to show you a free method of using Google Veo 3 completely free without spending any single penny and without any limitation. So hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the video. So first just head over to Google Chrome and search for BunnyFlow. And here, this is the first website. Just enter this website and you can see this is the website. Just tap on get started and input your username and email and password, and make sure to remember this email and password because we will be using this again in the upcoming video. I will show you where. So just tap on create account and verify your account. So you are on free plan and your credits will reset every 6 hours. So before entering Google Flow, just do a little settings. uh, just download this extension and your extension is downloaded. So head over to extensions and manage extensions. Here, to upload your own extensions, just tap on developer mode and load unpack. The one you downloaded, add it here. So your extension will be added as you can see on screen. So just head over to your website and here your extension is ready, and you just need to input your same email and password that I told you. After that it will be connected. So our settings are done. Now tap on Google Flow and here just enter a random prompt, and when you scroll there is a open on Google Flow tab on it. As you can see, now you are on Google Flow and the plan is ultra plan, and you can use it for unlimited time. So just do your settings because you are using this extension, so you can only use VO3 Lite. And just we will try first image to video prompt. Choose your settings and you can see this is the result from image to video. Like I told, the cucumber is inflating the air in cow, so the results are really great. Now let's try text to video as well. Just copy this prompt and let me paste it here, and I will change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and let's see the results. So this is the result. As you can see, the cat is in a rainy weather walking. Cat is walking in a rainy weather. So the results are really great. So when your credits are exhausted, like they are full, so you need to wait 6 hours. So if you need to use it again on a same day after your credits have been ended, so you just need to use some other email. So that's it. You can use this website multiple times because every 6 hours its credit will be refreshed. So if you need, you can also use multiple temp emails to use this website in a single day multiple times. So I hope you like this video. I'm daily posting these kind of tutorials, these kind of hacks, AI tools and tips. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.